Within this section, I will be explaining the technique required for the industry standard perfect jump shot, according to the Junior NBA website. According to the Junior NBA website, the subject should start with their knees bent and the ball in front of your forehead, with your feet and elbows pointed at the basket. If right-handed, have your right hand under the ball and your left hand on the side of the ball to support the ball. If left-handed, do the opposite. Jump straight up. Don't jump forward or backwards. And then at the top of your jump, snap your wrist and extend your arm. The main backhand. So if you're right-handed, this should be your right hand. If you're left-handed, this should be your left hand. This will send the ball upwards towards the basket. The higher the shot, the better, as it will arc into the hoop. Finish with a follow through on your shot and land in the same spot. Follow through refers to when you leave your hand, your arm, and your wrist extended after the shot. This will provide an arc on the ball and improve the accuracy of the ball. And then return to your original position for your next play. Following these basic stages alone, with consistent practice over time will result in it. Following these basic stages, along with consistent practice over time, will result in a consistent jump shot. The reason good technique is so important is because when shooting, it is because improper technique will negatively impact shooting accuracy, consistency, and power, as the player will not, without a correct technique, will have little control over the ball, therefore significantly reducing the chances of the player achieving any points, which will impact the performance of the whole team, lowering their chances of success. Common errors made by the players include misuse of the thumb as a guiding tool. When shooting, the thumb of the guiding hand is used to direct the ball. Therefore, improper use of the thumb, such as flicking, it could lead to the ball to stray off left or right undesirably. According to BreakthroughBasketball.com, a common correction for this error is to press your thumb against your index finger to prevent it flicking when shooting. Building upon these, another extremely commonplace error within shooting technique is excess jerky motions, such as unnecessary twisting of the body or moving left or right without cause. The effect of this comes greatly upon accuracy and precision of shooting, making it increasingly difficult to control the shot, reducing consistency. Therefore, it is recommended to record the player shooting so the cause of the jerky motion can be identified and corrected. According to BreakthroughBasketball.com, a typical cause for jerky motions during shooting is caused by improper foot placement, stating that to correct this common error, the player should make sure their feet line up correctly before every shot. This means you may need to pivot more as you receive a pass or as you step into your shot off the dribble. If you use a hop, make sure you are turning enough while in the air to align your feet properly as you land. If your feet are not set correctly, this will force your body to twist while shooting to try and compensate for it. Furthermore, as players progress and become more confident with their shooting technique, they will begin to develop a skill known as Thesis, which refers to the skill of being able to determine if a shot will go in without the need to watch it. As muscle memory strengthens, players learn what the perfect shot feels like and therefore know if a shot will go in from how it feels. However, beginners will not initially have this skill, as due to their lack of experience they will not know how a shot is meant to feel until they practice and build their muscle memory up to achieve this skill, which will aid their progression massively.